mobile massage therapists. How long have we been working together? Over a year now?
Over a year, yeah.
Yeah, and we've seen some crazy cases together.
Yes.
But one of the things that every massage therapists do is you guys run into you abuse your bodies. Let's be honest, right? The shoulders, the back, the legs, the hips, and it doesn't help that your dogs help you out with getting injured too once in a while. Or go ahead, jump down, face down. Let's take care of you. You guys abuse your body, so everything becomes tight from the muscles on the back here to the muscles on the side. Obviously, all that becomes a strain here. And with every massage therapist, they obviously use their arms, so it takes a toll on the shoulders, on the tight muscles. Yeah, the more tight it is, the more of a strain and toll it takes on the body. So we're gonna start adjustment here with a basic stretch and make sure we can take care of her. Alright, so we're going to take a look at the pelvis right in here, especially after the last hike that Jasmine had. Didn't go according to plan. Alright, so we just adjusted the hip with a drop table. I'm going to sink in right in here. We're going to look at what's called the cervicothoracic region. I'm going to move the whole head to the side, and I'm going to give a nice push right here so we can adjust this area. Oh yeah, didn't take much, did it?
No.
Oh, same thing on this side. Okay.
It's all good.
Oh yeah. All right. Well, let's have you go this way on your side, as if you're sleeping. Yep. All right. And I'm going to seal this shoulder so we get you in a little bit better position. And bottom leg straight, and this leg towards me. All right. So with this leg, we get to control how far or how low. I'm going to adjust the back. Then, there we go. We're going to give a nice little adjustment.
Oh.
Let's go to the other side. And same thing on this side. Except, there we go. There we go. All right. Now we can get a nice. Oh, nope. There's one more. And this one is more of a SI joint and not the low back. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Big bear. There we go. Bear head.
Okay.
One more. Last one. There we go.
Yes.
There's always last one after one more.
Yes, sir. It's too funny.
All right, let's sneak in here. Let's take a look at your neck. Ooh, that is moving awesome. The neck itself is moving great, but the shoulders, that's a different story. So we're gonna go right here. That's it. That's all we need with that one. All right, well, let's have you sit up and swing your legs over to the other side. There we go. There we go. And you can give it nice. There we go. Look at that.
Oh, yummy.
There we go. There we go. Good. All right. Go ahead and move around, see how you feel.
Like I could do another massage.
Awesome. Well, I think you have one coming up, right?
One more.
Awesome.
Ooh, I like this one.
All right. How's this feel?
Really good.
Good. Anything else you feel like we need to address?
No, the only thing was I did kickboxing the other day. Just the serratus is just sore, but I got a massage yesterday and it was fine.
Awesome.
Yeah.